Good afternoon. Today on Customer States What? Please perform open fuel campaign and LOF service. Also perform multi-point. Okay, say no more. So we took the airbox out just so we could gain access to the oil filter, and we're looking around. And we're like, oh, we see that the reservoir is a little dry. Just a little dry. Look a little further down and we see, oh, there's some aftermarket hose clamps right there. Looks like somebody's been in here before. You can see the thermostat's leaking, and we could see the water pump is leaking. Well, you know what? Let's take it up top and see how bad it's actually leaking. So now that we took it up top, we could see, ooh, it looks like it's been leaking for a while. Look at that. It's pissing there. Somebody, what the? Oh my, guys, sometimes I really have to mentally prepare for what I'm gonna see today, and you know, I wasn't ready for that. They got clamps here that are pretty strong, but they just wanted these. All right, whatever. Okay. Well, I'll tell you this much: the customer declined the repair. So now that we have the supercharger out to perform the fuel rail campaign, we can clearly see that the water pump is leaking and the thermostat is leaking. We got a wet-ass water pump with a side of Thirsty Thermostat. You know what? They declined the repair. I offered reduced labor because I got to take the supercharger out to replace it, and they denied it. So I really hope it's a cool day when this car overheats, because you're going to be walking while this car is going to get hot. Hey guys, like, subscribe, hit that bell notification for further content.